Ever feel like studying is a never-ending battle? Struggling with assignments, drowning in notes, and wishing there was an easier way? Well, what if I told you that AI can be your personal tutor, note-taker, and productivity coach, all in one? In this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools that can help you study smarter, not harder. Whether it's solving tough math problems, summarizing long textbooks, or improving your writing, these AI-powered apps will change the way you learn forever. Best AI tools for students study smarter, not harder. So, if you're ready to supercharge your learning with AI, stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Best AI tools for students to boost learning and productivity. 1. AI note-taking and summarization tools. Notion AI helps in summarizing notes, generating study plans, and organizing tasks. ChatGPT can explain concepts, generate summaries, and assist in essay writing. Elicit AI-powered research assistant for finding relevant papers and summarizing them. AI study assistants and homework helpers. Socratic by Google. Students can take pictures of questions, and the AI explains the concept. Photomath solves math problems by scanning them and provides step-by-step solutions. Wolfram Alpha, a powerful computational tool for solving math, physics, and chemistry problems. AI language learning and writing tools. Grammarly helps improve writing, corrects grammar, and enhances clarity. Quillbot, paraphrasing and summarization tool for better writing. Duolingo AI uses AI to personalize language learning experiences. AI-based flashcards and memory-boosting apps. Anki uses AI-based spaced repetition for effective learning. Quizlet, AI-generated flashcards and quizzes for different subjects. AI-powered presentation and research tools. Tome AI helps create AI-generated presentations. Canva AI assists in designing slides, infographics, and visual content for study.
AI productivity and time management tools. Forest uses AI gamification to help students focus. Clockify, AI-based time tracking for study sessions. Notion AI is an integrated feature within Notion that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Key functionalities include Q&A assistance. Quickly retrieve information from your notes and documents by asking questions directly within Notion. Writing enhancement. Receive AI-driven writing suggestions and brainstorming assistance without leaving your workspace. Data management. Automatically populate tables and transform complex data into clear, actionable insights. To explore and activate Notion AI, visit their official product page. Pros. 1. Provides quick answers and explanations. 2. Helps with writing, brainstorming, and coding. 3. Available 24/7 for assistance. 4. Can generate summaries and study notes. Cons. 1. Sometimes provides inaccurate or outdated information. 2. Doesn't have real-time internet access in free versions. 3. May not always understand complex queries perfectly. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI that uses natural language processing to generate human-like responses. It can assist with answering questions, writing content, brainstorming ideas, coding, and much more. ChatGPT is widely used for learning, productivity, and creative tasks. You can use ChatGPT by visiting OpenAI's official website. ChatGPT Pros. 1. Provides quick answers and explanations. 2. Helps with writing, brainstorming, and coding. 3. Available 24/7 for assistance. 4. Can generate summaries and study notes. Cons. 1. Sometimes provides inaccurate or outdated information. 2. Doesn't have real-time internet access in free versions. 3. May not always understand complex queries perfectly. Photomath is an AI-powered app that helps students solve math problems by simply scanning them with their phone's camera. It provides step-by-step explanations for equations, algebra, calculus, and more, making it a great tool for learning and practicing math. You can use Photomath by downloading the app or visiting Photomath's official website. Photomath Pros. 1. Instantly solves math problems using camera scan. 2. Provides step-by-step solutions for better understanding. 3. Covers various math topics, including algebra and calculus. 4. Works offline for basic features. Cons. 1. Doesn't solve word problems effectively. 2. May struggle with handwritten equations. 3. Some advanced solutions require a paid subscription. Illicit is an AI research assistant designed to help students and researchers analyze academic papers more efficiently. By automating tasks such as summarizing research articles, extracting key data, and synthesizing findings, Illicit enables users to focus on higher-level analysis and critical thinking. Its capabilities include searching for relevant literature, providing concise summaries, and organizing information into structured formats. To explore and utilize Illicit's features, you can visit their official website at Illicit. Live. Illicit Pros 1. AI-powered research assistant for academic papers. 2. Summarize research findings and key insights. 3. Helps with literature reviews and citations. 3. Saves time in reading lengthy papers. Cons 1. May not always interpret complex research correctly. 2. Limited access to premium databases in the free version. 3. Requires internet access for optimal performance. AI study assistants and homework helpers. Socratic by Google. Students can take pictures of questions, and the AI explains the concepts. Socratic AI Pros 1. Uses AI to answer academic questions instantly. 2. Provides visual explanations and step-by-step guides. 3. Covers multiple subjects, math, science, literature, etc. 4. Free to use on mobile devices. Cons 1. Limited in-depth explanations for complex topics. 2. Requires an internet connection to function. 3. May not always provide accurate results for advanced subjects. Wolfram Alpha, a powerful computational tool for solving math, physics, and chemistry problems. Wolfram Alpha Pros 1. Powerful computational AI for math, science, and engineering. 2. Provides step-by-step solutions for equations. 3. Useful for college level and advanced subjects. 4. Can analyze data and generate graphs. Cons 1. Free version has limited access to features. 2. Not ideal for subjects outside of math and science. 3. Requires a subscription for detailed solutions. AI language learning and writing tools. Grammarly helps improve writing, corrects grammar, and Grammarly Pros 1. Improves grammar, spelling, and writing style. 2. AI-powered suggestions enhance clarity and engagement. 3. Works across multiple platforms, Google Docs, emails, etc. 4. Provides plagiarism detection, premium. Cons 1. Free version has limited features. 2. Sometimes overcorrects or misinterprets writing tone. 3. Requires internet access to function. AI-based flashcards and memory boosting apps. Anki uses AI-based spaced repetition for effective learning. Quizlet, AI-generated flashcards and quizzes for different subjects. Pros 1. AI-powered flashcards and quizzes enhance learning. 2. Offers multiple study modes, tests, games, etc. 3. Supports collaboration and shared study sets. 4. Available on mobile and desktop. Cons 1. Some features require a premium subscription. 2. AI-generated answers may not always be accurate. 3. Ads in the free version can be distracting. AI-powered presentation and research tools. Tome AI helps create AI-generated presentations. Tome AI Pros 1. Creates AI-generated presentations quickly. 2. Offers high-quality design and layout suggestions. 3. Helps students structure content effectively. 4. Saves time on manual slide creation. Cons 1. Limited customization compared to traditional tools. 2. Some advanced templates require a paid plan. 3. May not always generate contextually accurate slides. Canva AI assists in designing slides, infographics, and visual content for studies. Canva AI Pros 1. AI-powered design suggestions for presentations and posters. 2. Easy-to-use interface with drag-and-drop features. 3. Free templates and customization options. 4. Works well for both students and professionals. Cons 1. Free version has limited AI features. 2. Some premium templates require a subscription. 3. Not ideal for advanced editing like Photoshop. AI productivity and time management tools. Forest uses AI gamification to help students focus. Forest Pros 1. Helps students focus by reducing phone distractions. 2. Encourages productive habits through gamification. 3. Can be used with study techniques like Pomodoro. 4. Syncs progress across devices. Cons 1. Requires the phone to stay open for tracking. 2. Doesn't block all distractions. Desktop apps. 3. Premium features cost extra. Clockify, AI-based time tracking for study sessions. Clockify Pros. 1. Helps track study time and productivity. 2. Provides detailed reports and insights. 3. Works across devices for convenience. 4. Free to use with basic features. Cons 1. Requires manual tracking for accuracy. 2. Too many options can be overwhelming for beginners. 3. Advanced analytics are part of the paid version. Conclusion. Embrace AI for smarter learning. AI tools are transforming the way students learn, making studying more efficient and engaging. Whether it's solving complex equations with Photomath, improving writing with Grammarly, organizing notes with Notion AI, or focusing better with Forest, these tools can boost your productivity and academic performance. Start using these AI tools today and make studying smarter, not harder. Sparkles, which AI tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Learner for more study tips.